Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy K Smalls. Yeah, guys, so today it's all about cryptocurrencies. So these are some of most undervalued infrastructures, some undervalued cryptocurrencies that I bought. And yeah, guys, I want to buy some. I got some Moonbeam, I've got some A-Star, I've got some Moon River. So, but these cryptocurrencies are hidden gems basically. So no one knows how to buy them. No one knows how to get to these things beside these whales, guys. So today I just want to show you how you can buy one of them or two of them. So today maybe I'll be buying dot chain. I'll be buying as well Gala because my Gala tokens they were basically uh, distracted based on I don't know what happened to it. So right now they changed them to P Gala. So if I can just come in here and say P Gala, you see here it is. So there was a hack that happened basically on my coins. So it says following the event where over 1 billion P Gala tokens were minted out of thin air. So BNB chain misconfiguration on the P network. So the misconfiguration on the network. So the Gala that I had was on it was on a BNB chain. So and the real Gala was on Ethereum chain. So basically, what they did is that they recreated another coin and gave us more coins based on the new coin that they just created. But this looks like a coin, so this is not what I bought. So I want to buy the real Gala from the Ethereum network. So let's get right into it without any wasting more time. So first of all, I got Altcoin Trader. I deposited like 1,500 Rand right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to log into my MetaMask wallet. So I'm just going to click there. If you don't know how to do that, I've got a video down below here on the link on how to set up this MetaMask and set up the Ethereum chain, BNB chain, and everything else. So, yeah, I'm just logging in. They're telling me about new security stuff. So, I'm just going to open this as an expander view. So keep in mind, guys, so when I'm opening this thing, it's opening based on BNB. So as you can see, this is on BNB. This is all the coins that I have on BNB. So I'm not gonna scroll down this because I'm gonna hide the balances. I see right now it's showing me balances of the coins here. So I'm not gonna show that. So yeah, so it's on the BNB Smart Chain. So right now I want to exchange it to Ethereum. So this one is main network basically. So right now we're on Ethereum. As you can see, I've got 0 Ethereum on this account. I haven't bought anything. So basically what I need to do in order to send some Ethereum onto this wallet, I need to go into my altcoin trader account, and then from there we can see Bitcoin is around 400,000. It's growing. So from here I'm going to click on Ethereum. So from ETH I'm going to buy Ethereum for all the money that I have in the wallet here. As you can see, it's like 1,492. Some of it was some charges. So from here, I'm just going to say buy. It says I'm going to buy 0.048 ETH. So they're going to charge me this much. I think it's like a 1 Rand or 2 Rand charge. So I'm just going to buy. So from here, as you can see, the transaction was so quick. Ethereum is a lightning network. So meaning right now I've got 0.04 Ethereum. So how do I get this Ethereum into this MetaMask wallet, guys? So how to do that? I'm going to copy this on your MetaMask. You will see this address here. Just click on it. It will copy. So what you need to do, you go back to Altcoin Trader and then you click on withdraw. So from here, you are going to say you're going to withdraw cryptocurrencies. What cryptocurrencies are you trying to withdraw? You're going to say, I want to withdraw some Ethereum here, the one that you just bought. So as you can see, it says there's transfer Ethereum, ERC20, Binance Smart Chain. You know, the coin that I got fucked up on it, it was on the Binance Smart Chain. So right now, I'm going to go straight to the Ethereum network. So the the address that I copied here it is. This is the ERC token address. I'm going to paste it here. It will tell you if it's not a real address, guys. So if I click on Binance, this should change and tell me that this address is not but yeah, you can see it goes hand in hand basically, this address, even with the Polygon. So but as long as it's an Ethereum network, guys. So basically I paste my Ethereum um recipient address, and then I say I'm going to, the amount of coins that I want to send is this. Look at this thing. It says the fee is like 0.007. Let me see how much is this. You see, one of the things I hate about Ethereum is the network fees, guys. So this guy's with the networks, it's hectic. Let me see how much is that in rands. If I'm going to use that, no. Let's see. Put it here. Look at this, 236 rands. That's some. That's the amount of fees I'm going to pay there when I send this transaction. So they say I'm going to receive zero point 0.4. So that's fine. I'm going to click on withdraw, click on OK, and then they're going to send me an email basically saying I've withdrew some Ethereum. I need to confirm that. So I'm going to log into my email. Right now, I'm just going to log into my emails. I think this is not the right email. I'm going to write on this Forex Family Empire email. So I'm just going to log into this one, close this one. While we wait for the email to open, don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, guys, I'll be posting more videos when it comes to forex trading, when it comes to analyzing the market, guys. So yeah, hit that likes button. So as you can see, guys, I've got what we call here. I need to confirm my withdrawal. It says I'm withdrawing 0.48. I'm going to receive like 0.4. I'm going to approve. That's like 200 rand. So hopefully these coins that I'm going to buy are going to give me more gains so that I can um, get my money back from there. So I have confirmed my withdrawal, guys. So I'm down on Altcoin Trader right now. I can log out from here. So all I need to do, I need to come here and wait for my Ethereum to come. So we saw on Altcoin Trader, it didn't take any time. So let me see from here. If I go to history, withdrawals, let me see. You're gonna see all my withdrawal history. Okay, it shows me that I've logged out. So it means we're gonna wait a little bit, guys. So for the Ethereum to come back, I'll pause the video, and then when the Ethereum is here, then I'll start recording again. All right, guys, we are back. And as you can see, the Ethereum money that is deposited, as you can see, it's here. It's like $68. As you can see, it says 0.04 Ethereum as promised there. They charged me around like 200 rands for the fees. So basically, what I need to do right now is to buy the FX coin. So remember, I said I bought this coin. It was Gala, but because of this the hack where BNB chain was had a misconfiguration, they had to create this coin into Gala and then give us the shit coin. So but yeah, the coin that I bought was Gala. So right now I need to go back to coin market cap. So I'm just gonna go to any browser here and say coin market cap. What is it doing? Just give me a second. I'm just gonna coin market cap. Guys, I don't know, it looks like my internet is disconnecting. Just give it a second. All right, guys, so we're back. So it says coin market cap. So what we're gonna do is just to come here, search for Gala. So this is the real Gala that we need. So it doesn't have to start with P. So it's just the Gala token. So as you can see, the price right now is on 0.05. So right now it only has the address of Ethereum here. So we're going to copy this address, and then we're gonna go to here on our MetaMask and swap, guys. So from here we need to swap. Um, let me see something. We need to swap all this money that we have, 0.03. Maybe let me swap $50 for Gala, and then from here swap to, I need to paste that address that I copied on coin market cap, and then it will bring me Gala. And then from here I'm going to review the swap, and then it's going to fetch me some codes that are available. As you can see here, there are some codes. As you can see, guys, the fees are hectic. I think Ethereum fees are on another level, guys. You can see they want to make me pay $8 for a transaction of $50. So it's like $58 basically. So I'm just going to click cancel, and then I'm going to use all the Ethereum that I have, and then I'll buy another coin. So I'm going to use maybe $60, and then $8 will be for um, $8 will be for basically um, the fees. So 0.4 is going to be 0.3, 0.04. What's happening with my keyboard? 0.35 basically, so or 36. Yes, so through 0.36, I'm going to say we need Gala. Here's Gala. Review the swap. It's a hectic lot of cash there. So I'm going to buy 1000 Gala. So right now it's telling me that I need more. So I need to, because the fees is expensive here. So let's edit this thing and say 0.535. So it's going to be $58 worth of coins here because we only have $68 there. As you can see, it says we need 0.003 because the gas fees increased again. So guys, yeah, that's basically what we go through when we try to buy these coins. They're way much expensive with the gas fees on the Ethereum blockchain, guys. So as you can see right now, let's just buy for $55 and leave room, guys. They don't want to give me more codes. All right. I'm just gonna come here. Advanced 2% slippage is fine. 2. All right, guys, just give me a second while I try to get the cheapest codes ever. So you can see right now I got the cheapest, but yeah, $9 is a lot. That's $10, like around 200 again. So we paid 200 rand from this other side. We're paying another 200 from this side. So, but yeah, just because I need these coins, I need to basically buy this coin, guys. So yeah, that's basically how you buy it. As you can see, it's basically swapping this thing privately, and then right now it says swap complete. It's giving me the confirmation here. I'll buy another coins when I got the money, guys. As you can see here, they say I've got like 1000 Gala. So we're just waiting for these coins to grow. When I get more money, I'll increase the money that I have in this account and buy more coins basically. So yeah, if I need to buy another coin, basically, if I have more money, I want to increase some Doge chains basically. So Doge chain here, you see Doge chain, this one. It's basically a meme coin. Uh, the price is still low, but I think it's got some potential of growing basically. So we're gonna just come in here, copy the contract address, make sure it's the Ethereum contract address, click on swap, and then specify the amount you want to swap for, and then you specify the contract address. It will bring the DC, which is dot chain. As you can see, anyone can create a coin. So here we're gonna say 0.01, but I'm left with how much there? I think I'm left with like $5. Yeah, I'm left with like $5. But yeah, I can't review the swap. Let's review the swap and see how many coins I'll get if I had money to buy this. So if you got like $50, you can just pop it into this. Just because the gas fees are expensive, you see, like, look at this, the gas fees are more than the amount that I'm buying the coin for. So I'm buying for 0.02, but the gas fees are 0.005. So that's basically crazy on the Ethereum network. So that's why most of my coins are on the Binance Smart Chain basically. So basically, guys, that's how you do it. I bought Gala 1000 Gala on the Binance network, guys. I bought a lot of galas, guys. Let me just show you. I'll have to hide this thing, guys. So where's the P gala here? I can't see it. I can't see it. But yeah, guys, I bought a lot of galas. I think around 100,000 galas. But right now they just converted these things to uh, uh, a coin that I don't know. So, but yeah, guys, for now, I bought the real one. I'm happy at the moment. I'll be increasing this thing even to going further. Thank you guys for watching this video until this time. Don't forget to hit the likes button, subscribe, and yeah, follow for more forex and also some cryptocurrency lessons, guys. I'll see you on another video. That's it for me. Bye bye.